Tonight, we are celebrating love, laughter, and strikes at David and Caitlin's Stag and Doe at Bowlerama in Rexdale. Here's to David and Caitlin, a couple who clearly know how to throw a party and, even more importantly, know how to surround themselves with amazing people who love and support them. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable night at Bowlerama Rexdale. Congratulations, David and Caitlin. Your next big adventure is just around the corner.
I'll take a picture if you want.
Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable day at Bowlerama Rexdale. Congratulations, David and Caitlin. Your next big adventure is just around the corner.